It was so hot, everybody in the park wanted to, even staff, we just all wanted to like swim in the cool water for at least 5-10 minutes. But we can't, man, we're on duty. Let's go. So usually the guest comes by car. They pull up here, we receive the guest from this point. This is where you book or buy your Mana Bay experience. So this is our entry point. Oh, sorry. And as soon as you come inside, we recommend you head straight to the lockers. So this is our retail. If you miss anything while packing, you will always find it here. So this is our locker rooms. This is our wave pool. It's actually like a double wave pool. These are our VIP cabanas, and that side is our premium cabanas. Oh, this is our second attraction. It's our lazy river. This is our spa. We have so many services here. So this is our dedicated kids area. This is Ohana Falls. This is our crowd's favorite. We get a lot of reviews about this one. This is our restaurant, Bites of Paradise. This is our main restaurant actually. Next attraction, Tidal Twist Tower. We have 4 slides here. I'm going to show you guys one of Mana Bay's hidden gems. So this is our volcano cave. So this is one of our characters. This is the father, the little girl. We also have the son. Then we come to the guardians of Mana Bay. Hanu, Lupe, Manu, Naya, the warrior dolphin, AquaRush. This is our craziest tower. If you love speed, this is the tower for you. And again, we come back to Sunkist. So Sunkist is our signature cafe. It's a pastry shop, it's a bakery, it's a coffee shop, it's everything. At the end of the day, we like to finish it off with a bang. Our bang is our volcano show. So we usually arrange for this show every weekend, Fridays and Saturdays after sunset. Here you go.